All right, that is 99% of the poles in the market because they're carbon fiber, they're not protected, not clear coated. So that's a 12-volt battery. A 12-volt battery, what do you think it would do when you start getting the typical home that's, 220 volts or whatever? We are now certified up to 500 volts, and we put 20,000 volts and it didn't spark. And what we're doing, we're going to test some more, but the SimPole's good because here we go. Hope they don't see what I'm doing to the battery. You ought to smell it. I'm going to hold this one in my hand now, and this is why. And SimPole has always been non-conductive on all the batteries that I've tested. But look, nothing at all. Nothing at all. And look, there's the aluminum clamp. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Buy a SimPole. Save your life.